Okay. Is music going? Year of Code. January 31st. Day 30. Yesterday was my birthday. Didn't do much. Had some pie. We did get quite a bit done yesterday with creating the CRUD DB, or the DB CRUD, and the admin, or the not admin UI, but the web UI to display rewinds, monthly rewinds. Basically, a blog post about what my thoughts were on the previous month that I'll write the last day of every month. So I need to get the admin part working so I can write one of these for today. I'd like to get working more on the user auth on the recipe site, but we'll see. See how I feel. Yeah, I'll push it into tomorrow. I hate keep pushing it and pushing it, but it's not that complex. It's just something I don't want to work on. I don't know why. Just check on the streams. Yep, looks like they're running. Okay. So, dialog, add, razor component. And this is a rewind dialog. And we need a rewind. And we'll start with the page, because it's kind of the same. And then we want rewind data. When I renamed this, why didn't that change? Yeah, you don't know how to do that yet. So that's why create rewind. That's update. You might have to go fix some stuff in Page. This is supposed to say let's see. Query. We don't have an order. We do have a month. No, actually, I don't think we have an icon. Year, month. Year. I don't know, I'm putting this in here. The slug actually would make more sense to put in, but it's fine. Okay, let's go back over to Page here. Check these real quick. Page updated. Update page. Page graded. Create page, yes. Deleted page. How am I sending the whole model over to the... Oh yeah, because I need the ID and the title. So I could put that in the title of it. Or into the dialogue. Okay, well those little things fixed. Now let's do a page dialogue copy. Throw it into chaos for a second here. Come on, what's the heck? There we go. There's... We'll have to figure out how the date, or the month and year from the date. Kind of the same way we update the slug, I think it's gonna have to be the way it's gonna work. Let's get a date picker from day. Read only. Okay, the um All right. Coughing. What does this want? A comma, maybe? Okay, so it just wants the date, right? I don't know when the other one needed that extra crap, but... And then the content dot year equals date time dot year, or content dot date. I mean, I'm okay with it because we said it beforehand, but the raw data is right there, so should that be? Can't convert from date time to what? Is that why it needed this? I kind of like the idea of using today. And then we can actually go back and use this, because that would get rid of our error there. Because at least we'll have something in there, and it should at least default back to kind of being a useful thing. And time only, and that's fine on time. But date time we'll use today as a default, because SQL will get pissed off if it's too low. So it's like, I don't know what 000 is. I can only go back to the 70s because reasons. Should have just focused on summary or content, but really, I don't know. The page has content, this has content, but the summary is different, so I don't know. Is this anything special? No. Okay, let's test it. Rewind. Nothing. I didn't put a header even on this. Come on, not reload that. Well, okay. Oh, I know why that's... That's for a page. We want it in rewind list. We have it in there, a title. We just never put the header. Okay. No data to show. Okay. Want. You messed up somewhere. Content A, component, dialogue, raw, rewind, what? Can't cast object to page model from to type rewind. Okay, we must have messed up one of these. Rewind dialogue, rewind model. Rewind model, rewind data. Let's see, admin rewind. Create. And the model is a... There it is. There we go. But the date was defaulted to 0. Day. create day equals that. Rewind. Create model date equals new. Why are you mad? You don't have time zone. Edit. Now you're happy. And the date. Didn't update our date. Wonder how we could. We just have to see the. Okay. There we go. That will see the data. Review? It's not a review. It's a rewind. And that is in the rewind preview. I don't know if I like it all in a card all the time. Why is rewind now working? Year, month. Rewind. year, month. It's admin rewind. This is regular rewind. We don't give a crap about the slug, but we will go ahead and take it in and do nothing with it. It still doesn't match the list. Let's try stopping and reloading. It's still having problems with the turning them into ints for some reason. Oh, it's working? I don't get it. Oh, okay. There we go. I don't know if that was part of my problem, is I was okay. Just test out our other functions real quick. edit this. Cool. Awesome. Rewind's built. Okay. I think this is good. Publish this bad boy to my local server, or the server. Get it updated. Uploading to the server. Start the server back. And we're back with rewinds. But there is none. Cool. Alright, well, I will be writing that later today. Not bad for 40-ish minutes. I mean, we had a lot of everything figured out between dialogues and everything else, so it was just kind of replace the fields. Other than the year and month being derived from a date. Oh, the goal was monthly reflection, and now it's called rewinds because rewinds sounds better. Yeah. Alright, let's commit this. I didn't push it. Push. Successfully pushed. Check that. January 31st, contribution. We've done January 1st to January 31st. And our whole green blob there. Some days I committed to 2 projects, so that's why we got some. But, that's a robot. I don't know if I'm going to stop the stream here and write up the rewind and we'll talk about it tomorrow. Kind of go through what I did this whole month. And I think what we've accomplished and gotten more comfortable with has definitely grown. Yeah, I think we're gonna do a short stream and go ahead and I'll write that up off stream because that would be boring to sit here and listen to me type for 20 minutes or whatever. And I'll probably be streaming later, do some game streams or something to pump those rookie numbers up. Get some gaming in on Twitch and YouTube. Okay, let's create the day. Tomorrow, it's definitely going to be your recipe site, Auth. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. Just putting ideas down in text. I'm kind of going into my rewind here, but okay, boom. February 1st, back to the recipe site. Oh man, hold on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, back to the recipe site. Get the auth going. Then it's just web UIs, I think, mainly user UI, and because we have the database built, and I think most of the store procedures. I have to have a look, but I think that's in a good spot to really get going on that. We'll get the rewind for this month written after I get off of here. And then I'll probably spend a couple hours streaming some gaming or something on Twitch and Webloot Gaming on YouTube. But as always, if you want to follow along with this project, the Year of Code, we're 1 month into it, doing and going strong. The the log of every day and projects and clipboard ideas and rewinds and all this other garbage is always at yearofcode.webluke.net. I'm going to try to always link that in the chats. You can always watch on twitch.tv/webluke. There we are. You can follow me there. More followers, more watchers. Maybe we can want to get a partner or something at some point, and then we can really make some headway on this, because I can spend a lot more time on it. You can watch on YouTube also, live. Subscribe over there. And then if you want to watch some games, I do that on Webloot Gaming. I was playing Minecraft Sky Factory 5 in RimWorld on there. A little bit of some WoW Classic. Maybe I'll play some of that. It's been a while since I played WoW. I don't know. But some Minecraft sounds like it could be fun since but as always, you can also always support me at, if it will ever load, ko-fi.com/webluke. Why are you not loading? Come on. Why is it not loading? There it is. You leave me a tip on Ko-Fi? That'd be awesome. Get some more coffee. If we can get enough monthly followers, then that'd be awesome too, because I can really spend more time. Alright. There is GitHub too, but I haven't open sourced the Year of Code site yet. I may have to regenerate my Auth 0 token, and because it's in the repository. But I do have a bunch of junk in there, but also I did make a PHP template system at one point. That was kind of fun. The cover letter is kind of funny because basically the whole program ends up being cover letter. You just print this out and send it to him. That was, I don't know if it's any good for helping get hired. It was just an idea. I was like, oh yeah, so they could program, make it a cover letter. So I made a generic version, and I made one with all my info in it. But it has like are you a bot? Or are you a hiring manager? No. If otherwise, bot response. And it sends you to the is it the website? Yeah, website. That's kind of funny. That's interesting. You can click on something and it puts all this extra junk over here. Yeah. I don't know if that's good for getting you a job or not, but that's one of those things I made on stream. Alright. Thanks for watching. I will have a rewind written for tomorrow for you to check out, or later today you can check it out. Thanks for watching.